Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. We're in the jungle once again, and I'm doing a quick video to show you my modifications for the Cold Steel Recon Scout. I previously did a video on my first impressions as well as some field testing. You can check out that video in the link in the card above or the description below. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. Thanks a lot. So in my previous video, I said I liked virtually everything about the Cold Steel Recon Scout except for one part of the knife. So I went to look for the polished edge, the leading authority of knife care in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And I got him to use his equipment and skills to help me modify the knife so they'll be better suited for my needs in jungle bushcraft. And he did not disappoint, and I'm going to show you the knife right now. First up, I'd like to give a shout out to subscriber Wasach Dan. In my previous video, he noticed that I did not put in the knife into the Secure X sheath, and that's why it was loose, right? It's loose like that, and I thought it was really just the design of the sheath. It was my mistake because he pointed out you really have to push it in to make it click. Really force that in, and now it's really secure. So that was my bad. So thanks Wasach Dan, it is indeed secure now with or without the retention strap. Okay, so to pull it out, you just push it off just like that, and here's the modification. I'm sure you can see it right off the bat, and that's the removal of the top card over here. And you can see what the polished edge did. He really left a polished edge. He essentially grinded off that stainless steel top part, rounded it off, and then polished everything all around so that everything melds together to form a very nice finish. And this looks almost like a factory finish. And why did I do that? Well, simply, now I can reach over, put my finger here in this choil area, reach over my thumb, and I can do finer work without that top guard jutting into my hand. So for example, if you're going to do finer work and I want to maybe push this like that, see, that's so much easier for control because I don't have that pushed. And if I were to just do it this way, I too can get that done easily. So that's for finer work, naturally easy to now come up because this is a false edge, but it's pretty sharp. You do not want to put your opposing thumb here, so you want to put it somewhere here. So this meets just nice, and then you get just such good control. And if you have such a knife and you're looking to do some kind of bushcraft or woodcraft work, then definitely this might actually appeal to you and work for you because it just makes it so much better. Of course, I understand it can be a bit divisive. Some people would think it's sacrilegious to change the design of the knife and remove the guard, and I can understand that. But this is my knife, and I think I do want it to suit my needs, and I think this really works for me, and I think I did it justice by bringing it to the right person to make sure he did a good job, and it's not just taking an angle grinder to it or a Dremel tool and just trying to saw that off. So overall, I think excellent job. The other thing I did do, nothing major, just added that lanyard. That's a pinky lanyard. If you watch my videos, you know I'm opposed to a loop lanyard that goes around the wrist. I think that's extremely dangerous for big knives. Rather use a pinky lanyard so that you can just grip it like that if you want to chop. In this way, you still get full retention, but if you happen to drop the knife, this is not gonna keep looped around your wrist and then just swing down to chop your shin or your leg. So this is much safer in my opinion, and I would recommend not to use a loop lanyard for the wrist, but to do a pinky lanyard like that. Well, that's it. That's the modification for the Recon Scout. I think that it will work very well for me, and I look forward to putting this through more hard use and long-term use, and maybe in about half a year I will come back with a long-term review. Well, do let me know what you think about this modification. Have you considered such a modification, or have you done it? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.